How to fix YouTube playback error. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're having playback error, usually occurred by a poor internet connection, corrupted app data, or outdated software. So you can fix this by following the steps. First of all, you might want to check your internet. So just go to settings, or you could also simply swipe from the top, and you could also find the internet connection right on the section. After which you could go to network and internet. Here you could see whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. You could also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data as well. Sometimes that might also solve your issue. Next, what you also want to do is while you're in the settings page, just go to the app section, select see all apps and tap on the search bar and look for YouTube. After you've located YouTube, you just want to make sure to go to this storage and cache section and make sure to clear cache as well. Now that you've done this, close all the background running app and hold on to your side button and restart your device, and that should definitely help you out. In some cases, if you've not updated your app for a while, that could also cause an error. So just go to your app store, type in YouTube on the search bar, and simply want to go ahead and update the app to the latest version. That should also definitely help you out. And in some cases, it might also be an issue within the YouTube as well. So you just want to make sure to wait for it, or you could also check the Down Detector to see if YouTube itself is down or not. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.